Hey everybody, it's your girl, PH. And spring has sprung, honey. Time to pack away those bulky sweaters and embrace those gorgeous, flowy fabrics. Trust me, I've been there. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 must-have spring dresses for my curvy queens out there. We're talking floral prints, flirty wraps, and those classic silhouettes that never go out of style. So, get ready to turn heads because spring is all about embracing those curves and owning your style. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more fashion tips and tricks. First up is a spring staple, the floral midi dress. This dress is all about embracing those feminine vibes, and it's crazy flattering on every body type. The midi length is perfect for showing off a little leg without feeling too exposed. Now let's talk styling. To really make that waistline pop, I love adding a cute belt. A bold belt can really elevate the whole look. To complete this outfit, I'm thinking a wide-brimmed hat. It's giving chic, it's giving effortless, it's giving spring goddess. And for shoes, you can't go wrong with a pair of strappy sandals or some cute wedges. Okay, let's talk about the pastel wrap dress. This style is a classic for a reason. It's flattering on everyone because it accentuates your waist and creates a beautiful silhouette. For a casual look, pair it with some white sneakers and a denim jacket. It's effortless and stylish. But if you're heading out for drinks with the girls, just swap those sneakers for some heels and add some statement jewelry. Bam! You're ready to turn heads. A silk or satin wrap dress can look super luxurious for an evening event, while a linen or cotton blend is perfect for everyday wear. And when it comes to accessories, keep it simple and chic. A delicate necklace, some hoop earrings, and a cute clutch are all you need to complete this look. Alright, moving on to a dress that just screams romance, the Ruffle-Sleeve Maxi dress. This dress is all about embracing your femininity and feeling like a goddess. The flowy fabric and playful ruffles create a dreamy vibe that's perfect for spring. Now, when it comes to styling this dress, I like to keep it simple and let the dress speak for itself. A pair of sandals or wedges will elongate your legs, and a cute straw bag will add a touch of summery charm. If you want to define your waist, a belt is always a good idea. Trust me, this dress is going to make you feel confident and beautiful. It's perfect for a picnic date, a stroll through the park, or even a summer wedding. Let's talk about a dress that's both playful and sophisticated, the off-shoulder fit and flare dress. This style is super flattering because it accentuates your shoulders and creates a beautiful hourglass shape. For a casual daytime look, pair it with some sandals or sneakers and a denim jacket. But if you're dressing it up for a night out, some heels and statement jewelry will totally transform the look. And don't be afraid to play around with different colors and patterns. A bold floral print or a bright color will really make you stand out from the crowd. And last, but definitely not least, we have the Queen Bee of spring dresses, the classic A-line. This style is a must-have in every woman's wardrobe because it's universally flattering and so versatile. For a casual everyday look, just pair your A-line dress with some cute sneakers or sandals and a denim jacket. You can even tie a shirt around your waist for a little extra something. And if you're feeling a little more dressed up, throw on a blazer or a cardigan and some heels. You can find them in every color imaginable, with different sleeve lengths, necklines, and embellishments. So, no matter your personal style, there's definitely an A-line dress out there for you. There you have it, my top 5 must-have spring dresses for my curvy queens. Remember, the most important thing is to choose styles that make you feel confident and beautiful. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors, prints, and silhouettes until you find what works best for your body type and personal style. So go out there and rock those spring dresses, girl. You deserve to feel amazing. Now I want to hear from you. Which one of these dresses is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more fashion tips and tricks. From floral midis to classic A-line favorites, these dresses prove that spring fashion can be fun, flattering, and full of personality.